If your baby is not sleeping after both breastfeeding and bottle feeding, there could be reasons behind it. Here's what you can do to help your baby settle down and sleep peacefully. Number 1. Check for discomfort. Burping. After feeding, babies may have trapped gas, causing discomfort. Hold your baby upright and gently pat their back to burp them. Diaper check. A wet or dirty diaper can make babies restless. Change it if needed. Number 2. Create a calming sleep routine. Dim the lights. Keep the room dark or use a soft nightlight to signal sleep time. Gentle rocking. Holding and rocking your baby in a calm manner can help them relax. White noise or lullabies. Soft background sounds can be soothing and help drown out other noises. Swaddling. For newborns, if your baby is under 2-3 months, swaddling can provide comfort. Number 3. Ensure baby is full. Check hunger cues. Sometimes, babies may not feed enough and might still be hungry. Offer more milk if they seem restless. Paced bottle feeding. If bottle fed, use a slow flow nipple and pace the feeding to prevent overfeeding. Number 4. Observe wake windows. Avoid overstimulation. Babies have specific wake windows. If overstimulated or overtired, they may struggle to sleep. Calm activities before bed. Avoid loud noises, bright screens, or too much playtime before sleep. Number 5. Try different sleep positions. Side or tummy holding. Only when awake, holding your baby in a side or tummy position in your arms can help with gas relief and relaxation. Gentle back rubbing. If your baby is fussy, a light back rub while they lie on their side may help. Number 6. Check for discomfort due to reflux. Keep baby upright after feeding. If your baby suffers from reflux, keep them upright for 20-30 minutes after feeding before laying them down. Elevate the mattress slightly. Raising the head of the crib slightly can help babies with reflux sleep better. Number 7. Encourage self-soothing. Let baby settle. Sometimes, babies need a few minutes to settle down. If they are not crying but just moving around, give them a chance to self-soothe. Use a pacifier. If your baby is comforted by sucking, offering a pacifier may help them sleep. Number 8. Rule out any medical issue. If your baby frequently struggles to sleep even after feeding and seems uncomfortable, then to rule out colic, persistent crying in newborns, reflux, GERD, frequent spitting up, arching back and pain. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips useful, please like, share and subscribe for more helpful content.